Hello students, welcome to the English to Online class of class 2. Today we will discuss and learn chapter 1. Chapter name is Alphabet Fun. In English, we have a set of letters in a fixed order. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. These 26 letters make up the alphabet family. We write these 26 letters in two ways. Number 1, capital letters, and capital letters are written in these ways. Number 2, small letters. Small letters are written in this way. Alphabet. Alphabet are divided into two groups. Number 1, vowels. Number 2, consonants. The letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels and the other letters are called consonants. Alphabetical order. The order in which we recall all the letters of the English alphabet family is the alphabetical order. For example, A, B, C, D. When we write A, B, C, D, in this way, all the letters are in alphabetical order. But when we write D, E, C, A, here all the letters are not in alphabetical order. Exercise A. Arrange the following groups of words in alphabetical order. Here are some words and we have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. So as we all know, the first letter of every word help us to write the words in alphabetical order. Here the first letters are S, M, P, D, F. So according to the alphabetical order, the first letter will be dad, the second one will be fat, the third one mat, the fourth one pat, and the fifth one sat. Next one, here the words are papa, buy, love, you, too. The first letters of these words are P, B, L, Y, T. So according to the alphabetical order, the answer will be buy, then love, then papa, then two, then you. The third question's answers are: first one, Mary. Second one, pony. As P comes after M, then like this way, sorry, then T, A, double L, then TEN. So here, as you can see, both the first letters are T. So here we have to choose the answer by the second letter. Here the second letter is A and in this word the second letter is E. So A always comes before E. So that is why TALL, this one will be the fourth one, then TEN will be the fifth one. So like this way, the question number 4's answers are eat, then beat, then neat, then sit, then treat. Fifth question's answers are keep, leap, reap, sleep, then weep. So let's move to the exercise B. Fill in the blanks with vowels. Here the words are H A N D. It's become hand. FISH fish. DRAGON dragon. ANT ant. FAN fan. PUPPY puppy. LOCK lock. KITE kite. Our next exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the consonant to complete these words. So here the letters are EN. So here will be pen, OWL owl, TREE tree, MOON moon, ROSE rose, BLL bell, BOOK book, BIRD bird. So in this way we have completed our chapter 1. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson very much. Thank you.